need an English teacher. Do you like living in Vancouver? Yes, I do. I want to go back. It's just a bit expensive. Taco Bell? We don't have Taco Bell here. I shouldn't come to shop, because if I look at, I started to be like, oh my god, I want to buy this. So I should stay away from shopping. Cantonese. True. Vancouver. Probably better than most people in my city. No way. Thank you, Sai. Take care. Shopping bag. Yeah. Yeah, I'm all in this. Yes. This is cute. Oh no, I should leave. I'm gonna stay here like for like 3 hours. This is cute too. Okay, I leave. Taco Bell. This song, I didn't know that song. Why not? You know, I take all my energy to shop, especially clothes, so I don't even notice how long it passed. So like, I know I shouldn't enter the stores, but I'm already here. At least let me see my earrings. Since you're already here, gonna touch everything in the mall? No, it's not true. That's not true. Forget about it. I know that, like, you know, keep buying clothes is like such a waste of money. Then I try to stop, then I can't. So sometimes H&M has really cute clothes. Buying clothes is fine. Japanese economy. Oh, how you like that though? Blackpink in your area? Cute. Blackpink in your area? This is cute too. Blackpink in your area? Okay, I should go. Yes! So I'll think about a little bit more about tent. Uniqlo. Yes. Yes. Good house. No more, not anymore. Not anymore. Whew. So now I'm gonna go get my boba tea and then go home. Good shopping. Didn't buy anything. Good. Oh, there's a tent too. Kids tent. Go bye bye. Perfect. No. No. I wanna drink boba tea? Go get one. Boba. Booba. Boba, booba, boba, booba, boba, booba. So I've been lately with boba. Tofu jelly and dango today. It was really good. Nice. That sounds yummy. Moss burger? Go donkey. I like moss burger too. It's good. Especially moss burger shake is good. Wait, still lockdown? You guys don't have like Uber Eats or something? Even just go buy drinks is not allowed to do? This is cute. Cute dress. That one's cute too. Okay, no more. Okay, no more. No more, I promise. Robin, ohayo. How are you? Shiratama? Ah, Shiratama ne. Yeah, Shiratama is Japanese though. Premium Must Burger. Oh, really? I never heard of premium. Level 4 lockdown means no takeaway or Uber Eats only. Supermarkets are open. Konnichiwa. Eh? Most cafe and most burger. Keep going to close to where it's quick when to see what clothes you think is cute. Really? But I take forever to choose one though. Just this. I have learned a little Japanese now. I can read and then write hiragana now, and learning katakana by my Japanese to be very basic. Oh, nice, Corbin! Good for you. Let me know if you need some help. It's entertaining for me. Thank you. Wait, there's like a... I didn't know there's a school, like student discount. I can do like M to M medium size to large size if I show them like my student passport. I mean student card. So what should I get? Thanks for streaming though, makes me strong mentally. Oh, thank you, Debated. I hope it helps a little bit. Strawberry won't light. Upgrade. The dango looks good though.